While going through Nagaland newspapers, I came across a really bizarre piece of news, I would say. But this is about a major breakthrough that Kohima police managed to achieve in the case of what they call an audacious theft from the Malkhana, that is evidence storage room of the PI's court, that is prosecution inspector's court in Kohima. It is being said that uh, an incident took place on March 22, which Kohima police describes as a brazen midnight raid, where unidentified people breached the Malkhana, where evidence is stored regarding various cases. So it is an evidence storage room, you could say, from the prosecution inspector's court in Kohima. And a lot of evidence is kept over here, including narcotics. So, what happened was that on 22nd March 2025, this brazen midnight raid occurred where at around between 1 a.m. to 2 a.m., people entered the place forcibly and walked off with 45 soap cases, which contained 675 grams of supposedly heroin, and that was supposed to be held as crucial court evidence in various cases. Now, it has come to light that one of those people have been arrested on June 13th, when a team led by Sub-Divisional Police Officer North Kohima, Sheta Lohe, arrested the prime suspect, identified as Kevi Chutuo Kuze, who's about 28 years, and this person has been remanded to judicial custody by the court, and investigations are going on. Of course, this is a significant development, but just imagine the guts of these people that they actually managed to breach the evidence storage room of the PI's court in Kohima. So I thought I would share it with you. Strange things happen in the world. This is just one of them, straight from Kohima, Nagaland. But stay away from drugs and stay safe.